By the end of this video, you would have already learned how to make a Ewedu at home. I'm talking about the Buka style Ewedu. Whether you're a beginner or you just want to perfect your Ewedu cooking skill, watch this video to the end because you're going to learn. Let's get started. We're going to be needing Ewedu leaves. Yes, of course, we already know what Ewedu leaves look like. We're going to also be needing Egusi. This is a secret to that Buka style Ewedu. Salt, crayfish, roux or locust beans, and baking soda or bicarbonate or anyone you want to call it. First, heat up water in a pot, then add your baking soda, just a little bit of it. You don't want to overdo this at all. Stir that together gently and allow it to boil. Once the water has boiled, I'm going to add in my ewedu leaves into the pot. Then I'm going to stir and allow the ewedu and the water to have a relationship together. It may seem as though the water is little, but trust me, it is not, because that water that I have seen is going to actually um come over the ewedu once it starts boiling. You can see what I'm talking about. It's going to find its way to the top of the leaves once it starts to boil. At this point, the kitchen is already smelling like buka. So once your ewedu is soft, once you carry one of the leaves and you're able to break it with your finger, then it is ready to go through the next step. For the next step, I'm going to transfer into my blender. Then I'm going to add the locust beans or iru. I washed the iru. Please wash your iru before adding to your leaf. I'm going to add crayfish. You can use either grounded or non-grounded. I'm also going to be adding the Egusi. So this thing that I'm touching, this middle button of my blender, is called the pause function. I know not a lot of people know this function, but you see this function, it's not just there for fashion. No. You can even use it to roughly blend your pepper if you don't have a chopper to do it. It does the job effortlessly. That pause function. See the way it's blending. This is what it is not going to blend whatever you're blending smoothly as a pressing, because you're just going to press, pause it, press and pause it. That's why it's called the pause function. You won't blend it smoothly at all. So this is the consistency I'm aiming for in my ewedu leaf. Color consistency is not too smooth and is not too coarse. That is the power of the pause function. But if you want to use ijabe, honestly, you can also go ahead and use your ijabe. That's the ewedu broom. Pour this back into the pot, then add salt to it. You guys, I don't use seasoning for my ewedu, but if you want to use seasoning for it, please feel free. Go ahead. Before you people will come at me and say, "Oh, she didn't add seasoning." This is the way I like my own. Cook your own according to your own preference. Ejo. So if you want to use seasoning, go ahead and use seasoning. But me, I don't like seasoning my ewedu, so I only use salt. Go ahead and cook this for just 1 minute. You can already see how slimy the ewedu is and how thick and rich it's looking. This is not just ewedu, like I said, this is buka style. This is how those buka that you see that sell ewedu and amala, this is how they cook their ewedu. Trust me, if you start cooking your ewedu like this without making it boring, there's no going back for you. You're going to stick to this method forever. Anyway, we are already at the end of this video. I've been begging all of you to subscribe to my channel for the longest time. Help me and grow this channel now. Joe, Biko, help me grow this channel. Fine boy, fine girl. Subscribe to my channel. It won't take anything from you. Thank you for watching today's video. I will definitely see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. I love you. Mwah. Bye.